Alright, this is a video to show the workings and how to wire our dual centrifugal fan. First of all, we'll show it working. It puts out a significant amount of air. Alright. So, the way it works, you can see down here we've just got it kind of hot wired, but we'll unplug this and show you exactly what we did. You need a capacitor for this to work properly. Turn the light back on. It takes an 8 microfarad capacitor. It calls for 250 volts. We're using 450 volts and it works fine. First of all, the instructions here, you can see are actually in French. EcoFit is a French company. That's not focusing very well. Let's try to bring it out some. Anyway, right here, it says Noir and Brun. This is French. Basically, it means black and brown goes to the capacitor, talking about the wires, and black and blue go to the line voltage, the 115. You can see it's 115 volts, and here's where it calls for an 8 microfarad, 250 volt capacitor. And this is the same fan, but with an English sticker on it. So we'll include a picture of this in the listing as well. But this clearly shows brown and black go to the capacitor, and black and blue go to the 115, and then ground goes to ground. So the way we got this to work with our capacitor, we took one leg of it and attached it to the brown wire here, and then the other leg of the capacitor attaches to the black wire. We just clamped it right onto where the black wire goes in here on the plug. And then on the plug itself, the blue wire goes to one side and the black wire goes to the other. And then the ground would of course need to be grounded inside somewhere for safety. And that's pretty much it. Once we had that in place, and you should definitely have the capacitor in place because it does not like you have to have the capacitor. There's no way of getting around that. You can't run it direct to voltage. But once you get that, it takes off and runs like crazy. Also, it's voltage adjustable. We don't have a way of doing it, but you should be able to decrease the AC voltage, and that controls the fan speed. So if you have an AC voltage, something that will drop the voltage in it, that will decrease the fan speed for you. And that's about it for our centrifugal fan.